Ooh.
No, grandma. Dude, my finger. Look at my finger. You see that?
We took the motor out of...
It's gonna have to be a 0.5 experience. There's no more engine.
It's gone. It's here, actually.
Actually, what?
We took the motor out of Abe's 240, and now we're going to take it apart, see what's going on inside, see what's good
In the hood.
see what's good in the hood.
All right, whoa. Don't do that.
All right, what do we do first?
Do you want to do bottom or top end first?
I think we should go from the top and work our way down, because that's how we
fair.
stretch out the video to 10
True,
minutes and
true.
keep people entertained.
Okay.
Because who cares about the top end?
Pringle.
I think first thing is get this
Jesus
exhaust manifold
Christ.
off.
Sorry, the light's really blinding. I'm covering it. Okay.
The exhaust off first, then the intake, which is going to be a pain in the ass.
Now we just ripped the head off all at once.
No, we shouldn't do that.
That's so
You
dirty.
gotta do this right.
Ew.
All right, let's start this.
Oh. I'm sorry. I got nervous.
Dude, I'm glued to the car.
Oh no. She's glued to the car. Same. All right.
So step one in KA teardown is take the exhaust manifold off.
Yeah.
Cue
This worked too
montage.
well. Power steering has to come off first. Sorry, I wasn't
Power
recording.
steering.
Ah. Dude, my garbage. Draw down eco challenge.
Can she not turn back?
Oh.
We're gonna cut that out.
That's going out of the video. I don't have a lot to say. I don't got much to say. That one's really on there.
That's what he has to say.
There we go. There we go.
We've made a discovery here. Whoever built this engine chose not one, not two, not three, but 4 different injectors. You can see here that these have actually snapped off and definitely went into
That's
the
so not good.
intake at some point.
That shit came right out the back.
So we're gonna go ahead.
The car definitely did
The
fart.
car did. We're gonna do something about these later. Crazy.
Throw them away.
Yeah, literally. I
They
didn't
would
know
be
that it
getting.
was, like, built
they're all different
into
injectors
the-
too, which is the funniest. But they're all different, like top. Like
I
look at
didn't.
the tops.
I didn't. Let's take the gas. Oh, I just broke off a piece of it.
Ah, geez, those are good
Oh
injectors.
my God.
That's really bad, dude. They're only. There's no way that those are like keeping up.
Dude, the
comfortably.
Miata has. Like,
I know. I was about to say those are
8
4
holes.
Those are 4-hole injectors.
This is what happens when you don't build your own car, man. It's crazy how the fuel rail is like one thing. Like the injectors
yeah.
are part of the fuel rail.
No, it's nice. You just unscrew those. It's nice for like changing them without having to take the whole fuel rail off.
Onwards.
But otherwise,
Onwards.
suck.
Keep taking it. Put this in the
Keep taking
throwaway pile.
Yeah, we'll do. This ain't even the album. These are just the throwaways. This is not
Whoops.
the album either. These are just the throwaways. I
Nice.
noticed. You would think that you know. It just writes itself. My washers. Oh, well, how did the fuck did that even get in there?
Wow, a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
Those are
That's
huge
rat
boards.
shit. Any bent valves that we can see? No, I mean nothing.
That would answer some questions.
Nothing out of the ordinary. How it feel on there?
Get in there, Brody.
I'm not being a good cameraman.
Hey, Brody, I'm sure that's sensual.
Getting in there. It's really sensual. They don't feel bad.
Like a wolf.
No, I'm sure it's fine.
And there's not a lot of carbon,
The head's strong.
which is nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's strong.
It's some strong head.
No, it's
Yeah.
it's a good head.
Good head.
Go
The
home.
KAs are
Go
good.
inside.
The KAs are good.
That's what she said.
The KAs are good.
She did say that.
KAT over SR. This shit garbage. Not over here, but probably get you some. I don't do that. Sorry. It's my one thing I do good.
Bloopy.
Fake bloopy.
Flake,
Flake blooply. Damn, I'm just a shitty cameraman. If I was a cameraman in the real world, I would have been the one that Alec Baldwin shot.
Oh my god. I can't remember if it's right
Well, I can't do that either.
For both sweater.
Gasket. Oh, nice. Nice one, man.
Do we have to take the cans out?
No.
Are you sure?
I really have no idea, to be honest with you. I
Let's-
have not watched a single YouTube video about
I haven't
this.
either. Shocking discovery.
A previous water pump has exploded itself.
All the cracks you were hoping to find.
Yup.
Well, you found them.
And that's just a whole new block right there. B-roll shot.
Wow, that's really bad.
That is not good. We gotta throw this away.
What have we discovered here?
It was all a lie.
It's not built
no.
at all. Like Abe was told it was.
Look at those oil squirters though. That's cool. That's really cool that that's like that. I
I'm
feel like
so cool. I have such a cool car. 13-year-old me be so proud of myself.
Peanut Gallery, you can go home.
I feel like the Ringlands are probably
Ringlands. The Ringlands.
the Ringland. I don't know. There's hella blow by.
I don't like how you put an accent on. Like, just speak normally.
There was hella blow by. Get the jackpot.
New update. Hold on, it's not. Stop moving your hand.
So I want to put it in my mouth so bad.
Ew, don't do that.
Ew.
Ew.
You can kind of see in the.
Oh my god.
I told you, there's a lot of it in there. Yeah, I thought. Here, let's dig. Let's do some more digging.
I can see it. Hold.
Yeah, let me grab a little magnet. Let's get that in there. See what we. Well, copper's not really magnetic, but let's see what we come out
Yeah,
with.
his bearings are magnetic.
Nothing. Maybe it's a finger style. Oh, there's so much shit in there. There's more. That's just what's stuck to my finger. There's a big ass chunk in there.
Well, now I'm really excited
Oh,
to see what these bearings
I got a
look like.
really big chunk right here. Probably what all the ticking was. Dude, there's a massive piece in. Dude, oh my god.
Is there a really big one?
There's
on that
two
side?
huge. Just look in there. There's two huge pieces.
Oh wow.
No, look to the right of it.
Oh my god.
That's really big.
There's a dipstick. Yeah, this is the
That
wrong
is not long
dipstick.
enough at all, bro. Dude, this motor's a joke.
Damn. I'm sorry, man. I'm gonna try and retrieve
I'm not
this.
sure. One of those is plastic. I'll just be buying a new one of these.
Oh.
Huh.
There it is.
Here, record that. Oh fuck! It's stuck to the. Might need to use screwdriver
Or you
again.
can just move on.
No, this is important.
This is important.
This is like an autopsy. Like finding the bullet that killed the person.
Oh, you know what? Here, actually.
You just take it off from right
yeah,
here
take it off
too.
and shake it out. Alrighty. Here we go. There's one silly piece.
Did it come out? That was a little piece. Big piece.
There it is.
Ah, yes.
Let's get that timing cover off.
There we go. Oh, that was so easy. Look at that.
It's leaking on me.
It's red.